Hi, Jim from RD Metal here. If you like our videos and find them helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. What I'd like to show you today is the fan guard for the BX tractors. This is the standard fan guard fitted to the BX, the latest model BXs. It's available for all model BXs under the same part number. And what we're going to be doing is fitting our fan guard to this plate. Okay, so all you do is you slide it in above the plate, and you'll notice that there's a bolt in the chassis just here. You want to line it up on that bolt and give yourself a little bit of room. It should be just behind the fuel pump, and the next thing you'll do is mark the plate to drill some holes. And if you see on my belly plate, I've pre-drilled the holes. And you might also see this red cable. Nobody will have this red cable. This is a power line I've run to an Anderson at the rear of the tractor. So normally this won't be present on your tractor. Okay, so now you've marked the positions for the holes. Take your belly plate off, the Kubota belly plate off, drill the 3 holes and drill the corresponding holes into the belly plate. Go ahead and bolt the 2 together, and then we'll come back and reinstall the belly plate with the fan guard attached. Okay, so I've drilled the fan guard and the Kubota belly plate and bolted them together, and I've installed the belly plate back in with the top 2 bolts in place. And all we need to do is rotate it up into position and install the last 2 bolts. So that's the fan guard installed. We've got it bolted to the original belly plate, the 4 bolts done up for the belly plate. It's against the chassis at the top here, a little bit of gap on one side, behind the fuel pump and just in front of the bolt. And that bolt will prevent it ever coming backwards. The gap that you see at the back here is where one of the braces comes through, so there is actually no gap. And there's no way in the world you can get to the fan, but there's still enough airflow from behind here and through the front. The linkages will all clear the belly plate, as will the front drive shaft. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.